Now, you are somebody who did a sales job, right? And that is really out of the box. Not a lot of girls in the country. I mean, this is still happening in the country like India. कि लड़कियां sales की job में नहीं जाना चाहती है. Because people feel that sales jobs is one of the worst job on this earth, right? You took sales. What was the thought process behind that? Because you actually went, ahead the market, and जहाँ पे लोग नहीं आते, लड़कियां नहीं आती sales में, आपने लिया. How did it help you, number one, and why did you take it up?
Because I was very clear when I finished college in June 2018 that I will not get into something that's typical and engineers do right out of college. So I
also had
my college placement. Yeah, my college placement as a systems engineer, like we all get as engineers. So I was very clear I will not do that, because that I can get going forward also whenever I want to. 2 months ka learning experience hoga and I'll get it. But I was very clear कि ये तो नहीं करना है, कुछ और करना है. So कुछ और में था कि अच्छा, what I wanted to explore things. What can I do? And in that process, in that gap of a few months that I took, I landed into this job because I did not have the background they required, but I had the soft skills they required. Plus, I was trainable. So I was happy.
You were trainable. Huh? That's the quote. You were trainable. Okay, fantastic.
Yeah, and it worked. It worked well for them. It worked well for me. I loved what I did, and it was very, you can say, rural versus urban kind of a difference. When we get into an MNC, it's rosy office, AC, people coming from the same background. You just understand each other. But getting into this sales job was like rural versus urban. People coming from all kinds of different walks of life. Some know English, some don't at all understand English. Different family backgrounds, different age groups. It was weird, uncomfortable, but I happened to like it at the same time. So I stuck, like I stayed there. I used to talk to my friends, working with this MNC, that MNC. So their experiences were totally different. Like, this is what you have to do. This is what happens. Like a laid out plan kind of a thing. This was like every day different.
Do you believe that the sales job literally helped you to shape your personality over a period of time?
Yes, sir, definitely, I would say.
Exactly. It helped me also. It has helped me also. And it does help a lot of people out there. It's just that, as I said, like a lot of people, they have this stigma. Graduation wale bache, sales to mujhe karna hi nahi hai. Right? And a lot of students are running after these flashy things, and they end up miserably, or some of them regret, learn from it, and move ahead, and then do something really good in their life. Yeah, go ahead.
So I feel that we're all doing sales, whether you say you have a sales profile or you don't. Eventually, we're all doing sales. So you like it, good. You don't like it, you're doing sales. You have to.
True. Even a guy like Elon Musk has to put to it, talking about a new model that he's launching, right? That's the reason he bought Twitter, because free marketing, zero cost marketing is a great guy.
Yes.